Vakati teacher. So one day track 1, one day track 2, like you are doing in physics, like you are doing with botany and zoology. In the same way, track 1, track 2 of chemistry. Clear? Clear? Or anyone's doubt left? Tomorrow exam nahi, day after tomorrow exam. Day after tomorrow exam. Day after tomorrow exam, bhai. Thank you, Spike here. There is no new syllabus, same track sheet is there, just the exam is shifted from Saturday to Sunday. Saturday there was no class in the track sheet. This Saturday we are having one class. That's it. No other difference is there. Exactly the remaining same track sheet we have taken. Okay, bhai? Thank you, bhai. Thank you so much. Shall we start? Unit test on Monday. Unit test on Monday. Beta abhi to bataya. एक काम करो, you people are joining late and then you are asking the same question that others have already asked. So you ask with each other now, or after the class you can post the message. I will answer in the class, in the end of the class also. Okay, bhai. Monday classes evening will be there. Monday classes will be there in the evening. Chaliye, so now we are starting with the topic. Yeah, we are starting with the topic. We are starting with the topic. More important than posting the syllabus is completing the syllabus, for which the time is given right now. Can I start completing the syllabus, or should I post right now only? Leave everything else. Shall we start? Chaliye. देखो यार, for S block element the elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Open your NCERT also along with you here. Open your NCERT also along with you. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Then bhai देखो, so बताओ what is the flame color? Flame color of lithium, it is crimson red. Sodium yellow, potassium violet. RB देखो, one second. RB red violet, CS blue, and francium is radioactive. Half life you will search from the NCERT first page of NCERT. You will search the half life. देखो भाई, try to understand this. How to remember? One second, little bit zoom out I will have to do. How to remember this thing? देखे, how to remember, that is important. देखो भाई, remember RB red violet, and C sky blue, red violet. चमका भैया, ठीक है, correct है. I am asking you to search from NCERT because you have to read NCERT for this group here. You have to read NCERT for complete inorganic chemistry. Organic also, inorganic also. Read the complete NCERT thoroughly, line by line. Chaliye, and make these notes also. You can take the screenshot and you can copy in your notes as well. देखो भाई, sodium yellow, lithium crimson red, potassium violet. RB you can remember as red violet, and C sky is blue you can remember as blue. When it comes to beryllium, magnesium, they don't show any flame test. They don't show any flame color. Why? Because of high ionization enthalpy. How the color comes? Electron get excited, then de-excited. है ना भाई? How the colors will come? Electrons will get excited and de-excited. Here what happens? Beryllium, magnesium ionization enthalpy is so high that electrons are not excited by the visible light, so there is no flame color. Calcium, strontium, barium, how to remember the flame color here? Very simple funda is there. Imagine you are buying an apple. You are buying apple. ठीक है भाई? What is the color of apple when it is raw apple? So it is green, apple green. है ना भाई? Green apple. Little bit more ripened, crimson red. And when the apple is very ripened and completely wrinkles start coming on that, it becomes dark red. Dark red here we can call as brick red. So can you see the color of apple, bhai? Can you see the color of apple? Green apple you have bought, it became red after some time, and the red apple became maroon or brick red after a lot of time. So yeah, this is how you can remember. Here also radium radioactive. Radium radioactive. Half life not important for him. Only for francium half life is given in NCERT. Easy bhai. Except lithium, sodium, potassium, remaining tricks clear. Except lithium, sodium, potassium, remaining tricks clear to us. Yes, ठीक है. Yes na? Now, ionization enthalpy decrease top to bottom. There is no exception. Ionization enthalpy, no exception is there. Radius top to bottom increase, no exception is there. Apart from that, hydration enthalpy magnitude or hydration enthalpy top to bottom decreases. Hydration enthalpy. Rocky's second group trick is very simple. Barium is like apple. Barium, strontium, calcium are like apple. New apple, ekdam nicely raw apple you have taken, that is green in color. Little more ripe, crimson red. Even more ripe, brick red. So apple to you might have seen. Arey apple iPhone nahi, apple that we eat. Adam's apple, that apple. Seen na? So remember apple only. ठीक है भाई. Hydration enthalpy top to bottom decrease. Why? Because hydration enthalpy is proportional inversely to size. As the size will increase, hydration enthalpy will decrease. So same thing will happen here also. Top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases, radius increases, and hydration enthalpy decrease because hydration enthalpy is proportional to size inversely. Why to write again? Why to write again? बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? चमका भैया? Next देखिए, हाँ बिल्कुल. Next देखिए, because of this we can say that lithium salts are hydrated. LiCl.2H2O possible, but remaining NaCl, KCl, they are not hydrated. These people are not hydrated. Only LiCl is hydrated because lithium to cesium hydration enthalpy is decreasing. Lithium is most hydrated. ठीक है भाई. More details also I will tell भैया. Exceptions in the order will be there. I will let you know. Here ionization enthalpy only radium, one barium exception is there, but that is not relevant anymore. That is not relevant anymore. One exception like this is there, but that is not relevant anymore because in NEET it is not asked in the examination. Understood bhaiya? Melting point, boiling point. Top to bottom melting point or boiling point will decrease. Melting point, boiling point decreases here. There Satyanash will happen. I will let you know. ठीक है भाई. Then talking about SRP, standard reduction potential, you have to remember the values here. That lithium has maximum. In the electrochemistry also we have seen lithium has maximum bhi nahi. Lithium is the best reducing agent. Best reducing agent. And sodium is the worst reducing agent in first group. Chamka bhai, as per the SRP value, these two values will be there bhaiya. SRP values, these two will be there. Finally, occurrence of sodium is more than potassium, and these are the top two most occurring metal on the earth crust, sodium and potassium. That is why we are going to read their biological importance also. Remaining people are not so much important biologically as well because they are not found in the nature as much. Clear bhai? Then similarly on the right side, when we compare the melting point, boiling point, देखो how to remember melting point, boiling point here. How to remember melting point, boiling point? भैया focus on the board. How to remember melting point, boiling point? Ba, be, ba. Car, scooter, magnesium. क्या बोला? Ba, be, ba. Car, scooter, magnesium. बोलो भाई. Ba, be, ba. Car, scooter, magnesium. Ba, be, ba. Car, scooter, magnesium. Ba, be, ba. Car, scooter, magnesium. Beryllium maximum, and M for magnesium, M for minimum. M for magnesium, M for minimum. M for magnesium, M for minimum. Sir, melting point also beryllium maximum and magnesium minimum. Melting point also beryllium maximum, magnesium minimum. Chamka bhai. Then what you will do? Only thing that you will do is that you will exchange car, scooter with barium. Car, scooter with barium. So car, scooter comes here and barium comes later here. That's the only difference you can see. Bolo yaar, boiling point, melting point mugged up or not? Melting point, boiling point mugged up or not? फटाफट बताओ. बा बे बा कार स्कूटर मैग्नीशियम. बा बे बा कार स्कूटर मैग्नीशियम, बा बे बा मींस बॉइलिंग, बा मींस बॉइलिंग, बा मींस बॉइलिंग, बे बा बेरिलियम, बेरियम, calcium, strontium, magnesium, M for magnesium, M for minimum. Which minimum? Melting point also, boiling point also, both minimum. What to exchange then? Barium and calcium, strontium you have to exchange भैया, nothing else. बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? Done. चलिए, going ahead. We go to next what we have written SRP. तो भैया देखो SRP value, reactivity if we check reactivity, or we should say reactivity लिख लेते हैं, चलो reactivity तो बेरिलियम, calcium, strontium and so on up to barium. So there is no exception in this. Sorry, magnesium in the middle. There is no exception in this. From beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, there is no exception in this. Top to bottom, the reactivity is increasing. Here to Satyana Sheppan bhai. Here lithium was the best, sodium was the worst. Sudden difference came bhaiya. First and last rank came between here only here. But there top to bottom there is no exception as such. ठीक है भाई? Density I am going here, correct. Density देखें. Density top to bottom increase, but here sodium is more than potassium. That means lithium, sodium, potassium. This is the exception. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Francium density no one compares by the way, but ठीक है. Understood the idea? Density only sodium, potassium is one exception in the density. So it becomes a very important question for the NEET examination because there is one exception only and given in the main theory of NCERT. So yeah, extremely important. Bolo yaar. Any problem up to here? Any problem up to here? बिल्कुल यार बिल्कुल. अरे भैया electrochemistry we have done ना. अरे electrochemistry we have done ना भाई. That SRP more, oxidizing agent tendency more, reducing agent tendency less. ठीक है भाई. And metals are reducing agent. So the final conclusion that I have given you in the electrochemistry chapter, if you remember, कि SRP more reactivity of metal, that is reducing agent nature, is less. So if I am saying this is the order of SR, this is the order of reactivity, this is the order of reactivity, so SRP will be opposite order na. SRP will be opposite order na bhai. Bilkul. Lithium has most SRP nahi, minimum SRP. Lithium has minimum SRP. Maximum is of fluorine bhai sahab. Maximum is of fluorine. Minimum is lithium. Minimum is lithium. Don't contaminate your topic. Don't contaminate it. Lithium is minimum means minimum only. Lithium means minimum. 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 Minimum. Anything else you are thinking wrong. Bakwas. Chamka bhaiya. Beta, permission for recording is already on. Ab I don't know what problem is coming there from my side. I've kept it on. ठीक है भाई. All the recording permission has been given on. If you can record, you can record. I have no problem. ठीक है भाई. चलिए. Understood the idea? बोलिए भाई. Understood the idea? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पवन. All these things we have discussed several number of times. This one clear? Shall we go ahead? Minimum SRP. अरे minimum SRP means including sign. 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 Don't get confused. Check the table. Check yourself also. You will understand easily. Check the table. You will find yourself also. You will not get confused if you will see the value. ठीक है भाई. Most negative value is coming. Most negative value is coming. Most negative value is coming. Check. Shall we go ahead? VV important ones explain. Very important. Density order. This is density order. This is density order. This is density order. Density. Top to bottom increase, but sodium, potassium, there is an exception in density. Clear, bhai? But melting point, boiling point, exception is not there in the first group, but it is written on the board. I think you all joined late, and that's why the problems are coming more. So I'm going to the next slide now, bhai. Shall I go to the next slide now? On the YouTube, S block is already uploaded, bhai. This same lecture will not be uploaded, but in the YouTube, S block is already uploaded, bhaiya. Done? Shall we carry on? चलिए देखो भाई. Now we are starting with the compounds one by one. So starting with the first compound, we can say Air we can start here. We can start with the air. Beta, in SRP, sign is also considered. Negative sign means less. SRP are like your marks. SRP is like your marks. SRP is like your marks. -10 marks are manchi or chadda. Chadda na, to SRP also chadda bhai. SRP are like your marks. In marks, wherever the negative positive relevance is there, same relevance is there in the SRP also. Bolo bhai, chamka clear up to here. Clear up to here bhai. चलिए, now reaction with air. Reaction with air. Reaction with air. देखिए, reaction with air. देखो what happens. Reaction with air. Lithium, sodium, potassium to cesium. How these people react with air? How these people react with air? How these people react with air? देखिए, here NaN3 and K3N. Na3N, these are not formed. They cannot form nitride directly, sodium to cesium, but lithium can form lithium nitride. Lithium can form lithium nitride. In the air, oxygen is also there, so Li2O. Sodium forms Na2O2 if you heat in the presence of air. And bhaiya, potassium, rubidium, cesium and so on, they form KO2 bhaiya. Clear? They will form, dekho bhai, they will form KO2, MO2. Understood भैया? Vamsi, please focus in the class यार. Leave it ना, leave it. क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? It's a 4K camera. You don't have to worry about the resolution. You have to worry about the topic. This topic's resolution should be very clear in the head. ठीक है भाई? Listen in the class. Don't get deviated. We have to complete S block also, 13 group also. Revision has to be done by you also, by me also, both of us. So please focus in the class, everyone. ठीक है? देखिए, lithium nitride will be formed. Sodium to cesium. Sodium to cesium, you will get Na3 and K3 and you will not get. You will get only peroxide and superoxide. देखिए why? Focus on the board. Why? Lithium is a chinna atom यार. It's a small atom. There are two chinna atom required to adjust with one oxygen. देख रहे हो? Size you have to take care of. Size. You have to take care of size. So lithium is chinna, small. So lithium, two of them required with one of the oxygen type. Next, sodium is bigger. Sodium is bigger. Sodium is bigger. So bhaiya, 2 sodium, 2 oxygen, 1:1 ratio you can see. 1:1 ratio you can see. Potassium is even bigger. Potassium is even bigger means 1:2 ratio you will see. Are you able to understand? Oxygen is small. ठीक है भाई, lithium was very, very small. So 2 lithium required for 1 oxygen. Similarly, sodium is bigger. So 2 sodium, 2 oxygen, 1:1 ratio came. Potassium even bigger. Cesium even bigger. So what happened? One of the potassium require now 2 oxygen for compensation. Bhaiya. Are you getting the idea? अरे बोलो फटाफट, yes or no? Clear or not? Clear or not? Clear or not? बोलिए भाई फटाफट. Size, only size you have to make them comparable. Lithium chinna chinna, Rendu required. Sodium big big, Vakti required. Potassium even bigger. So half of potassium for 1 oxygen is enough here. Great. तो अब ये बताओ भैया, as you go for superoxide and peroxide, these are called peroxides. This is called peroxide. Peroxide means O2 2-, and this is called superoxide. Superoxide is O2 single minus, and superoxides are yellow in color. Superoxides are yellow or orange 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 in color. So left to right size decrease, no. So lithium is bigger than oxygen. Arey bhai, lithium and oxygen size you are not going to compare. We are comparing the size of lithium, sodium, potassium with the oxygen. चमका भाई, क्या कर रहा है? एक चीज बता, सैलरी ऑफ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर क्या? सैलरी ऑफ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर क्या? You compare the salary of one husband with the other husband ना यार, कि his husband is earning, her husband is earning more or her husband is earning more. तो metal you will compare और metal non-metal you will compare. बता यार, compare the things which have to be compared भाई. Clear? चमका. On heating it will be forming this, it will be forming this. बिल्कुल their oxides are possible. Sodium peroxide is there, oxide also possible, but major product I'm writing on the board. You should never ever worry about minor product, bhai. You should never ever worry about minor product. Minor product, no, bhai. Cesium also taken, written very clearly. Cesium also taken, you will get MO2. MO3 doesn't exist. चलिए भाई, देखो भाई, देखो 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 देखो. Don't waste your time in asking the unnecessary doubts right now. Just focus in the class. At the last I will take the doubts. At the last I will take the doubt. At the last there will be no doubt. Inorganic chemistry है ये, physical नहीं है. Things will not change as per your need. What is there, and what is there I am telling you on the board. Anything not on the board does not occur. As simple as that. Nose is here, nose will remain here only. Now you keep on explaining the nose should be here, nose should be here, nose should be here, but nose will remain here only, bhai. In the same way, whichever the compound exists. Khatam. देखो भाई, peroxide, superoxide. You go from peroxide to superoxide. What will happen? देखो, top to bottom, from sodium to cesium, sodium plus to cesium plus, size increase ना? अरे बोलो यार. Top to bottom, sodium to cesium, size increase ना भाई? Size increase, what will happen? Size increase, what will happen? O2 2 minus and O2 minus are bigger anions. So stabilized by bigger cations. So what will happen? What will happen is very simple, bhaiya. Stability, top to bottom increase. Top to bottom, the stability of peroxide and superoxide will increase. देखो भाई, try to understand. Oxide is a chinna pilla yaar. Oxide is chinna pilla, only one atom. Peroxide and superoxide have rendu atom bhai. Peroxide and superoxide has rendu atom. So size is big. So what will happen? Because the size is big, bigger cations will be stabilizing them more. So top to bottom size of cation increase. So bhaiya, these people become happy because they want bigger cations to stabilize them. Boliye bhai. Always remember, chinna atom, chinna cation, chinna anion is stable. Large cation, large anion is stable. But large and small not stable bhai. Large and small not stable bhai. चमका क्या? अरे बोलो यार, चमक गया फटाफट. अरे बोलो भाई, चमका. अरे चमका क्या? बोलिए भाई, क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर? बोलो भाई, क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर? अरे भाई चमका. बिल्कुल, peroxides are colorless, oxide also colorless. If I've written this is colored, that means only this is colored. Only this is colored, only superoxide colored, nothing else colored bhai. Understood the idea? Understood the idea up to here bhaiya? Shall we carry on? Chaliye, so we can see it is highly reactive. Acha, one more thing, if lithium nitride is put in water, remember you will get LiOH plus ammonia. This reaction I have taught you in the P block also. This reaction I have taught you in the P block also bhai. This reaction I have taught you in the P block also. Bolo bhai. This reaction I have taught you in the P block. Remember, lithium nitride H plus attracted by N3 minus, OH minus attracted by lithium plus. Are bolo to. Should I explain again? Or you know this? ठीक है, देखें आप, देखें. So lithium to cesium are stored in kerosene. Sir, why you store them in kerosene? Because they react with air. You cannot store them. Like for example, whatever you store in the open air na. हाँ बिल्कुल, अकड़ा charge, बिल्कुल correct. भैया, you store everything in the open air na. You store everything in the open air. But these people, if you put in open air, satyanash will happen. What satyanash will happen? They will start reacting with the air itself. Done bhai. Ab dekho. I'm telling you the next thing. How they react with water. Focus everyone on the board. It will be a new thing probably. Focus on the board everyone. How Na2O2 and MO2 is going to react. How Na2O2 and MO2 is going to react with water. देखो भाई, देखो. Na2O2 I can write as Na2O plus nascent oxygen. Na2O2 I can write as Na2O plus nascent oxygen. बोलो yes or no? बोलो भाई yes or no? चलेगा? ठीक है. MO2 can I write as M2O plus O? Possible क्या? Can I write it like this? M2O plus O. But for that it is compulsory to write 2MO2. Then only M2 will come na. अरे 2MO2 then only M2 will come ना यार. 2MO2 then only M2 will come. 2M M2 2M M2 2M M2. देखो तो सही. अरे बोलो यार, how many oxygen? How many oxygen? How many oxygen? Sir 4. वकटी here तो मूडू here ना यार. अरे वकटी there तो मूडू there ना यार. Total 4 oxygen. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? तो भैया now the game starts. Now the game start. ये बताओ, ऑक्सीजन भाई साहब, do you want to go to water? Oxygen will say, sir, ask water. I am ready to go anywhere. I am nascent oxygen. I can react with anyone. Ask water. Water भाई साहब, can you take oxygen? Water will say, yes sir, बिल्कुल I can form H2O2 sir. I can form H2O2 sir. I can form H2O2 sir. बोलो भाई चमका क्या? बोलो भाई चमका भाई. Oxygen hypo in the or left? Oxygen nascent oxygen hypo in the or left? Nascent oxygen hypo in the or left? Nascent oxygen hypo in the or left or over? Nascent oxygen left or over? कहां से left भाई? अरे your H2O has eaten it. Your H2O has eaten it after eating the chapati. Chapati is left क्या? Should I take it out from the stomach now? अरे H2O has eaten oxygen now, nothing left. What is left? Na2O left. In which medium? In aqueous medium. Metal oxide in aqueous medium forms hydroxide. Metal oxide in aqueous medium, hydroxide. Say it to yourself 10 times. Metal oxide, aqueous medium, hydroxide. Metal oxide, aqueous medium, hydroxide. Metal oxide, aqueous medium, hydroxide. बोलो भाई चमका कि नहीं चमका? Peroxide gives only peroxide. False. Peroxide gives only peroxide is false. बिल्कुल बकवास. Peroxide can produce peroxide. Or we should say peroxides are given by peroxides in general, but not always true. Understand the mechanism of the reaction. You will be able to write all the reactions here. You will be able to write all the reactions. ठीक है भाई, बताओ. How many oxygen? In this case, how many oxygen nascent? How many nascent oxygen भाई? How many nascent oxygen? 3. Water can eat how many? Water can eat how many? 1. Water can eat 1. What it will produce? What it will produce? Sir, H2O2. How many nascent oxygen left? 2 of them left. They will come out as O2. बोलो भाई, and M2O in aqueous medium will give you MOH. बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमक गया बढ़िया. All set. अब ये बताओ, चलो ये बताओ, Na2O2 plus CO2. Can you tell me the product? Na2O2 plus CO2. Sir, Na2O2 I will write as Na2O plus O. I will ask CO2. CO2 bhai, can you take oxygen? CO2 will say no sir. CO2 will say no sir. Why? Sir, I am already in my highest oxidation state. I can form CO, I can form CO2. Already I am CO2. I cannot take any other oxygen. Bolo yes or no? CO2 cannot take any other oxygen. Sir, then what will happen to nascent oxygen? Nascent oxygen will go out as oxygen gas. Yaar, it has no other option. Nascent oxygen is feeling rejected, bhai. And when someone feels rejected, they become single, like Achilles sir. Yaar, chamka kuch? Hey, no. देखो, तो Na2O plus CO2. What is left? Na2O plus CO2, Na2CO3 भाई. बोलो चमका कि नहीं चमका? Is the mechanism clear? Basic clear. 3 to 8, 9 completely irrelevant, not required. Focus in what I'm telling you on the board. Don't get deviated. Already you have been deviated for 1.5 years before that also. Now come back to the track. What is relevant? Read that. Become doctor, then read as much as you want. Google is open for you भाई. भैया. चमका. ये बताओ, रिएक्शन क्लियर. हनीश एनी प्रॉब्लम क्या? हनीश प्रॉब्लम उंदा. अनीश बताओ भाई फटाफट। ऑल सेट, ऑल सेट। चलिए फटाफट नोट डाउन दिस। इट इज इन एक्वस मीडियम, इट इज हैपनिंग इन एक्वस, व्हिच वन, दिस वन, this one. In aqueous medium, O will be taken by water. O will be taken by water. That means you have understood the concept. If this doubt is coming, you have understood the concept. Sir, how MOH? अरे भाई साहब, metal oxide, 5 times I repeated. You are not listening once also क्या? अरे metal oxide, metal oxide, metal oxide, metal oxide, metal oxide, metal oxide in water forms hydroxide. ना universal truth, universal truth, universal truth. बोलो भाई, बिल्कुल एवरीथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड इज एनसीईआरटी। तुम रीड तो करो, रीड इन द इवनिंग। कंप्लीटली यूजलेस डाउट, कंप्लीटली यूजलेस डाउट राइट नाउ। टॉक अबाउट द टॉपिक भाई, टॉक अबाउट टॉपिक। सर CO2 इन विच मीडियम? नो मीडियम, एयर। इन द ओपन एयर दिस इज हैपनिंग, ओपन एयर दिस रिएक्शन विल हैपन, ओपन एयर दिस रिएक्शन विल हैपन। शैल वी कैरी ऑन, शैल वी कैरी ऑन भाई, शैल वी कैरी ऑन नाउ? अरे भैया चाला नॉलेज रिक्वायर्ड, चाला चाला चाला। गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नाउ, नो टाइम टू वेस्ट, नो टाइम टू वेस्ट। सर नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन देखो, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन विद वाटर, विद वाटर व्हाट विल हैपन? देखो कुछ नहीं, विद वाटर तो यार मेटल रिएक्ट विद वाटर विल फॉर्म हाइड्रोक्साइड। व्हाई सर? अरे देखो, डोंट ट्रीट वाटर एज वाटर, ट्रीट वाटर एज HOH। अब ये बताओ, मेटल्स, एल्कली मेटल्स आर मोर रिएक्टिव देन वाटर और लेस रिएक्टिव? They are more reactive than water or less reactive? Metals, these metal, S block metal, the topmost metal, sul people, sul, they are more reactive than hydrogen. They are more reactive than hydrogen. They will kick out hydrogen. बोलो यार, ये तो complete electrochemistry है सर। This is a complete electrochemistry only. बिल्कुल correct। बताओ, metal react with C2H5OH। ठीक है भाई, example I am taking. Why only metal? Example I am taking sodium. Sodium react with C2H5OH. So C2H5O minus Na plus and hydrogen gas goes out. Sodium with ammonia gas. Ammonia gas. Sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. So again he will kick out hydrogen. Leftover will come with sodium. Similarly, sodium with acetylene. Sodium with acetylene will give you C2 minus with Na2. Something like this. देखो. Something like this. I'll draw the structure on the board. Na plus, C triple bond C, Na plus. And what will happen to hydrogen? Hydrogen will go out. Remember, this reaction, this last one, cannot be shown by lithium. Lithium is not so much reactive in the gaseous state. Lithium is not much reactive in gaseous state. Lithium is not much reactive in, we should say, dry state. In dry state, in aqueous state so he is awesome, but in dry state lithium is not much reactive. बिल्कुल no ethanide formation, no ethanide formation, no ethanide formation of lithium. बोलो भाई, are these all reactions clear? They all have the same basic, they all have the same basic. Acidic hydrogen will be kicked out by metal who are more reactive than hydrogen. बोलो भाई, क्लास 9th onwards we are reading कि more reactive kick out, less reactive. बिल्कुल only terminal alkynes, only terminal alkynes have acidic hydrogens. These are acidic hydrogen. The hydrogen connected to, sir will teach in GOC, don't worry. The hydrogen connected to more electronegative atom are called acidic hydrogens here. Acidic hydrogens भाई. So terminal alkynes only I am talking about. No other alkyne will have the hydrogen. No other hydrogen will be there who is acidic in nature. बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? चमका, reaction with water clear. Now lithium to cesium, vigorous reaction increase. Vigorous reaction increase. Lithium to cesium you go na, reaction become more and more and more and more vigorous. Very important point. If they ask you out of lithium and sodium, out of lithium and sodium, who is more vigorously reacting with water, more vigorously, more dangerously, तो भैया lithium versus sodium, sodium is more. Sodium versus let's say cesium, cesium is more. Understood the idea? They will blast. You can think in this way. If you search right now on YouTube reaction of rubidium with water, the reaction that you will see on the YouTube, there the glass vessel will blast. So much energy is released, bhai sahab. So vigorous reaction top to bottom increases. Any problem, समस्या, पीड़ा should not be here. Now talking about second group, तो देखो बेरिलियम मैग्नीशियम दे आर kinetically inert towards air and water, but powdered form burns with dazzling flame. देखो भाई बेरिलियम मैग्नीशियम आर चाला हार्ड, so to make them react, if you want to make them react, they will react, but on the top there will be a protective oxide layer formation, plus they will be very, very hard, so the gas will not be able to penetrate inside. But if you powder them, they will happily react with the air to form Be3N2 and BeO, Mg3N2 plus MgO. Are you getting the idea? So are you getting that they are similar to lithium? It is diagonal relationship. Lithium also forms nitride, lithium also forms oxide, lithium also forms nitride, lithium also forms oxide, lithium also forms nitride and oxide with the air, and beryllium and magnesium will also form nitride and oxide with the air. बोलो यार चमका क्या? बोलो भाई clear है ना? Clear. Remember two things for beryllium magnesium. Beryllium magnesium ionization enthalpy high, so flame color lidu. No flame color. They don't react with air and water also easily. But once you powder them, they can react. There is no problem in reaction. But you have to powder them. Chamka bhai, you have to crush them. Boliye bhai, shall we carry on now? ठीक है. Here there is no peroxide or superoxide funda. There is no peroxide or superoxide funda here. There is no peroxide, superoxide. All only oxide. Only normal oxides. Ha, one thing. BeO is covalent in nature. And rest all. That means MgO2BaO. They are ionic and they have rock salt structure. You know the meaning of rock salt structure in solid state, bhai? You know the meaning of rock salt structure, NaCl type structure in solid state. Can we store beryllium magnesium in air? Yes, you can store them in the air. Bilkul, you can store them in the air. Bilkul, beryllium is amphoteric also. And in this way, it is like aluminium. This is the diagonal relationship. It is like aluminium. It is the diagonal relationship. Boliye bhai. Covalent means covalent bond. Yes, yaar. Yes, bilkul. Covalent means covalent bonds are there. The bond is, dekho, every bond in the world is neither 100% covalent nor 100% ionic. Every bond in the world is neither 100% covalent nor 100% ionic. Clear, bhaiya? But not required. Woods structure not required. Anything not in the NCERT not required. There is so much knowledge in the world, you will not be able to complete all those things in 3 months. Okay, bhai? So understand, none of the compound is completely covalent or completely ionic. Then sir, some people are more covalent, more than 50% covalent. Some people are more than 50% ionic. So beryllium oxide is more than 50% covalent. Understood, bhai? So covalent character is high. We cannot say it is 100% covalent. There is no compound in the world who is 100% covalent or 100% ionic. Chamka bhaiya? Clear? Fatafat, we are going to the next one, that is halogens. That is halides. Done. Last line, rest all MgO2BaO ionic in nature, and they are having rock salt structure. They have rock salt structure. Done. देखें अब, देखो भाई, देखो now halides only one thing. ये बताओ, lithium iodide. Here lithium plus is the smallest cation na. अरे भाई, smallest cation is lithium in the first group. In the first group, the smallest cation is lithium. बोलिए भाई, the smallest cation is lithium. Yes, video coming? Video coming, everyone? Video is coming to you? Video is coming? Okay, now coming. तो भैया lithium is the smallest cation, I minus is the largest halide. तो देखो यार, remember Fajans rule. Fajans rule is very simple. Fajans rule is very simple कि भैया देखे charge more, covalent character more, charge more, covalent character more. ठीक है भाई. Next देखें, next charge more, covalent character more. Next cation small, then also covalent character more. Anion large, then also covalent character more. ठीक है भाई. And last pseudo inert configuration, then also covalent character will be more. What does it mean? Simple. Pseudo inert configuration means D10 configuration will have better covalent character than S2 S1 kind of configurations, but this one is not much required here. The main thing that is required are these three. तो देखो भाई, charge will be same for all the metal halides like this, +1 -1 +1 -1. clear है भाई? Done. तो charge of both should be more, both cation and anion charge more covalent in nature, but here the charge are same. Here cation is small, anion large. तो भैया this भाई साहब is the most covalent compound here. He is the most covalent compound. Try to check. He is the most covalent compound here. Check. Most covalent. Small cation, we have smallest here. Large anion, we have the largest here. So smallest cation, largest anion means the most covalent nature will be by this. बोलिए भाई, any problem, समस्या, पीड़ा? अरे भाई, let them do ना. You are future doctors. You are future doctors. If you are so weak that someone shouting is going to affect you, then how you are going to treat the patient will be shouting at the top of his voice when you are operating him. You have to ignore people, bhai. They cannot come to your house and say anything. You don't pick up the call. Like we are not picking up the call. Okay, bhai? Let them call. Ignore them. Chali bhai. All the lithium halides are covalent. Yes. All the lithium halides are covalent. In fact, LiCl is soluble in pyridine also. LiCl is soluble in pyridine also, bhai. LiCl is soluble in pyridine also. LiCl are soluble in pyridine also, bhai sahab. It is so much. Beta polarization covalent character same. Dekho, remember PC, physical chemistry. So polarization is proportional to covalent character only. PC polarization covalent. So wherever I have written covalent more, wherever I have written covalent more, there polarization also more. Wherever covalent more, polarization also more. बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमका कि नहीं चमका? अब बताओ यार, F minus X minus means Cl minus to I minus. Who is Chinna Pilla? F minus Chinna Pilla or X minus Chinna Pilla? Who is the Chinna Pilla here? Chinna Pilla F minus na yaar. So Chinna Pilla will be stable with Chinna Pilla na yaar. Are Chinna size manchi. Big size manchi. But big and small chadda. ठीक है भाई? अरे भाई, when the guest will come to your house, kids will play with the kids, elders will sit with the elders. If you mix them, they will not be stable with each other. चमका कि नहीं चमका? अब ये बताओ, if I write LiF to Li, so what do you think about the stability? Remember, F minus is Chinna Pilla. Chinna Pilla will be stable. Sorry, this nahi. Chinna Pilla will be stable. F minus is Chinna Pilla. Chinna Pilla will be stable with lithium or with cesium. बताओ भाई, Chinna Pilla F will be stable with lithium ना, तो stability will decrease ना भाई. अरे small will be stable with small will be stable with small. F minus will be stable with Li plus. चमका भैया. Chinna Pilla with Chinna Pilla. Next, what about this LiX to CSX? Here the stability will increase. बोलो भाई, चमक गया? here the stability will increase. Now understand, enthalpy of formation more negative implies stability is more. If I say enthalpy of formation more negative, that means stability is more. So I will say from here to here enthalpy of formation will be more and more and more negative. देखो यार, enthalpy of formation means energy released when something is formed. Chala energy released, Chala energy released, Chala energy released means final energy less. Final energy less means more stable. अरे energy less means more stable ना, अरे energy less means more stable ना भाई. When Chala amount of energy is released, the compound formed will be more stable. When Chala amount of energy released, compound formed will be more stable. One more thing they will ask you, MF more than MCl, more than MBr, more than Mi. Sir, whose order is this? Everyone order. Whose order is this? Everyone's order. So what's the meaning of everyone's order? Arey bhai, they ask you melting point, they ask you boiling point, they ask you stability. Whatever they ask you about these group halide, always same order. For example, who is more stable? They ask you NaCl or NaCl or NaBr. So sir, NaCl will be more stable. चमका बिल्कुल. For melting point also भैया, NCERT is the Bible for NEET. If NCERT says something, no question of doubt should be there. Obviously exceptions are there, but NCERT will always write something. You have to follow that only. You don't have to worry about anything else. Clear hai bhai? Done. You're preparing for NEET examination. You're not writing the thesis for PhD. Any garbage can lead into your negative marking. That is the problem. Anything outside NCERT you read and it is opposite of NCERT can lead into negative marking. Bolo bhai, clear up to here? Clear up to here? Clear up to here bhai? Shall we carry on? Second group, can I tell second group now? Dekho, second group, how to get beryllium fluoride. Dekho, how to get beryllium fluoride. Beryllium compounds are very tough to make. They are not directly made. Beryllium halides are tough to make. They are not directly made. एक चीज बताओ यार, all the batches I have taught about ammonium salt. Remember ammonium salt? Try to recall what I have said. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. So भैया ammonia went out. What is left inside? Sir, there were NH4. There were NH4. So sir, there were NH3 goes out, H2 left, Be left, F4 left. No problem. H2 will come out with fluorine in the form of 2HF. And what is left behind? BeF2. And this is our product. Bolo bhai, understood how to write the reaction? Understood how to write this reaction? Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. Yaar. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. Next देखिए, beryllium oxide plus carbon plus chlorine. देखो, whenever you go to the hostel bhai, whenever you go to the hostel in the AIMS, for example, you go to the hostel, you get selected in the NEET examination, you get AIMS, let's say any AIMS you get, you go to the hostel and suddenly you realize कि यार this parents are also watching क्या? Parents are also watching क्या? ठीक है, नहीं still नहीं still नहीं. Let's say देखो, you are smart people, you will understand. ठीक है, let's say you go to the hostel. Sometimes why would I know why they will watch? I don't know. ठीक है भाई, देखो you are smart people, you will understand. देखो, logic should be clear. You can apply anywhere in the life. ठीक है भाई. So you go to the hostel, you suddenly realize कि this person I want is as my roommate. ठीक है भाई, this person I want as my roommate. Done. Problem is that person already has a friend who is very close to him. That person already has a friend from हाँ ठीक है, Sairam, you understood, good. That person already has a friend which is very close to him. Done भाई, clear? Now what to do? देखो, When you will see yourself and when you will see that person, you will realize that person is beyond your capacity. You will not be able to reach to that person's level ever in your life. So they are not going to accept you as their roommate. It will happen, bhai. It will happen. It will happen because the person you will like will be always above your level. So you will feel like in 999. It's not possible. Then what to do? What to do? Go and approach? No. Don't go and approach, bhai. Sir, then what to do, sir? Call another person who is much better than you, like carbon. So bhaiya, you are chlorine. You are chlorine. You are chlorine. Okay, bhai? Beryllium, very, very small. Chlorine, very, very big. They are not a compatible match. Then what to do? Bring carbon. Tell carbon ki, bro, have you seen that new oxygen who has come to the campus? I think you should be the roommate of this oxygen. You are both made for each other. So carbon will go, bhai. Carbon will go. Take the oxygen with him. Oxygen will happily go. And beryllium will be left alone crying, yaar. And when the beryllium is left alone crying, at that time go and say, kya? Ki beryllium, don't worry, yaar. I'm there now. Chill, yaar. Okay, bhai? That's the only possible way of keeping your ego as well as getting what you need, bhai. Understood? Very smart people. I said na, you are smart people. Bas, you understood na? Logic understood na, yaar. Life is more important, yaar. Exam to aate jate rahenge, yaar. Exam this year you are writing, but next year you will write something else. Main thing you have to focus upon. If you think you are not as good as the person you are approaching, don't approach directly. Clear hai bhai? Done. Search for a third person. It's okay. People are sometimes better than you also. It's okay. Understood this reaction, bhai? Now BeCl2 solid has a bridged structure. Bridging based structure is there. Bridging. Dekho. This kind of a dative bond will be formed. Bridging structure. And each of the beryllium is sp3 hybrid. You can check. BeCl2 beryllium is sp3 hybrid. BeCl2 beryllium is sp3 hybrid. Bilkul, it will depend upon temperature also. That's why I've written a solid. That's why I have written solid. That's why I've written solid here. It is sp3 hybrid. sp3 hybrid. Bolo bhai. Obviously they will break. Acha, even they don't break. Are kya baat kar? Everything breaks. Courage should be there. Up to 3 months back, some people were thinking they cannot break. Broken na. Courage should be there. सब टूटता है भैया, तोड़ने वाला चाहिए. चमका. Everything will break. Have the confidence in you. You and only you matter. The whole world is there to make your life better. What matters is how much you think you deserve. If you deserve more, if you think you deserve more, work for that. Okay, bhaiya? If you think you should get into AIIMS Delhi, work for AIIMS Delhi. Don't listen to the people who say that long-term people can't go to AIIMS Delhi. They can go and they will go. If 2 years back people can go to JIPMER Pondicherry, then this year they can go to AIIMS Delhi also. Have a bigger dream. Everything will break, everything will crack. Just that people quit just before that. People don't get the courage of doing it. Okay, bhai? Chaliye, bolo. Understood the idea up to here? Shall we go on? Understood the idea up to here, bhaiya? Understood? Kuch nahi. Ammonium BeF4 on heating. Ammonium salt on heating releases ammonia. Ammonia goes out. What is left behind? Hydrogen left will go out with fluorine. Beryllium and fluorine left. BeF2 will come out. Ammonium salt on heating releases ammonia. P block, already I have taught this thing in all the boys batches. P block, already I have taught this thing in all the boys batches. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base releases ammonia. Chaliye bhai, I am going to the next slide now. One more thing, if you take BeCl2 with LiAlH4, what is the role of LiAlH4? What is the role of LiAlH4? Bhaiya, NCERT required yaar. For reading the uses, NCERT required. Up to the topic I'm teaching you, their NCERT not required. But I will give you certain things to read from NCERT also. LiAlH4 is a reducing agent. So batao yaar, he is a hydride donor na. It is a H- donor na. H- donor na bhai. H- donor means BeH2 will be produced. BeH2 will be produced bhai. BeH2 will be produced, and BeH2 also have this banana bond, this tau bond, this banana bond is there in BeH2 also. This tau bond or banana bond is there in BeH2 also. This is also sp3 hybrid only, just like B2H6, just like B2H6, just like B2H6. Bolo yaar. Ammonium salt on heating or with a strong base release ammonia. Ammonia goes out. What is left behind? Beryllium and fluorine left behind. Hydrogen and fluorine left behind came out. BeO plus carbon plus chlorine. Dekho, chlorine cannot approach beryllium directly because chlorine is very big, beryllium is very small, beryllium is not interested. So I brought carbon. Carbon will take the oxygen away like carbon monoxide, and beryllium chlorine then will react to form BeCl2. BeCl2 on reduction gives you BeH2. Obviously, yaar, hydrogen will come, chlorine will go. What else will happen here? What else will happen? Chamka ki nahi chamka? I'm going ahead now. Next slide. Just fatafat take the screenshot if you want to take. I'm going to the next slide now. Time is precious, bhai sahab. Time is chala precious. Time is chala precious. Coming 10 minutes, it has to get over. So fatafat batao. Shall we go ahead? Otherwise, in 2 reactions only, your whole lecture will go. Hybridization sp3, just like B2H6, like B2H6, like B2H6, sp3, like B2H6. Bolo bhai. For NEET exam, this answer will be there. For NEET exam. Chaliye bhai, shall we carry on? Dekho bhai. Now, understand. MgCl2.8H2O. CaCl2 6H2O, 6H2O, BaCl2 2H2O. Remember, bhai, as you go from top to bottom, ruk ja, it will come. It will come in this slide. It will come in this slide. It will come in this slide. I'm still talking about chloride only, na? Chloride not yet over, na? Ruk to ja. Beryllium I will write here, na? Magnesium 2, barium, let me explain. Dekho. So as you go from top to bottom, hydration enthalpy decrease na. So Manchinelu decrease. ठीक है भाई? Manchinelu decrease. Same thing will come with magnesium nitrate dot 6H2O, and you go to barium nitrate, it is anhydrous. It is anhydrous. It is not hydrated. It is anhydrous. Chamka ki nahi chamka? Chamka ki nahi chamka, bhai? This is JEE Main 2019 question. JEE Main 2019. Which of the following is anhydrous? So the barium nitrate was given as the answer. As you go from top to bottom, hydration enthalpy decreases. This logic will be enough to get you marks. Now, ab dekho. Focus on the board, everyone. Focus on the board, everyone. BeCl2.xH2O if I take, MgCl2.xH2O if I take, what will happen? Focus, bhai. Focus. 6 also there, 8 also there. I'm writing 8. Rohit, read the complete NCERT, then ask the doubt, bhai. Don't ask half-baked doubt. You are reading one page of NCERT. I'm teaching you the whole damn NCERT. Okay, bhaiya? So read it first, then ask the doubt. It will be more logical. Clear, bhaiya? 8H2O is there. 8 is there. On heating becomes 6. On heating becomes 4. On heating becomes 2. And finally, what will happen? I'm teaching you now. So stop writing and start listening, bhaiya. Start listening, bhaiya. Start listening, bhaiya. Dekho, all these people, their water of hydration will be lost. All these people, water of hydration lost. What you will get? CaCl2, SrCl2, BaCl2. These are anhydrous. Bolo bhai, chamka ki nahi chamka? Chamka ki nahi chamka? Bolo yaar, chamka kya? But, what will happen in the case of beryllium and magnesium chloride? On heating, they suffer hydrolysis. They suffer hydrolysis. What's the meaning of that? Beryllium and magnesium ion, na, they love water, yaar. They are truly, deeply, madly in love with water. They can't let the water go away. That's why 8 water they are having together. 8 water they are having together. They are truly, deeply, madly in love with water. So if you want to take the water away, 1 water will go, it will pain. 2 water will go, it will pain more. Slowly, when the last water will be left, na, magnesium will start crying. Magnesium will say, water, you come back here. water, please you come back. I will kick this chlorine out of outside. I will kick this chlorine out, but you come back. So finally what will happen? You will get MgOHCl or MgOH whole twice formation. ठीक है भाई? And what will go out? HCl will go out. Are you getting what happened? Are you able to understand what happened? देखो, MgCl2 dot water was there ना? On heating, it should become MgCl2. But what will happen? Mg2 plus will attract OH minus. Mg2 plus will attract OH minus. He will say, "Yeah, water, yeah, you come with me, yeah. Let these HCl people go." So what will happen? He will become MgOHCl and one HCl will go out. बोलो भाई, चमका, चमका भाई. अरे भाई, anyone who can absorb water is hygroscopic. Anyone who can absorb water is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic. That is not a big deal. That is something which you will be able to read also. That is not the issue. Is this reaction clear? Is this reaction clear, bhai? Is this reaction clear? In case of beryllium, reaction is not there in the NCERT. If you want to write, you can write BeOH whole twice plus HCl. BeOH whole twice plus HCl. BeOH whole twice plus HCl. खत्म. The same ही तो है. Same thing is there, भाई. चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमका कि नहीं चमका भाई? बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? क्लियर? अरे भाई क्लियर क्या? इतना टाइम तुम क्लियर करने में लगा रहे हो यार. So much time you are taking to type yes and no. Hydrolysis will happen. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means hydrolysis. Water will break. Why? Because Mg will say water come back na yaar. So OH minus will come back na. Cl minus will be kicked out. Because magnesium loves water, bhai. Magnesium is truly, deeply, madly in love with water. Same is the case with beryllium also. Any problem, any samasya, any pida should not be there, bhai. Shall we carry on? Shall we carry on? Shall we carry on? ठीक है. In liquid ammonia, what will happen? In liquid ammonia, you will get ammoniated cations, and ammoniated electrons. Ammoniated electrons are responsible for the color. They are responsible for color. And what about ammoniated cation and electron? Both of them, they are responsible for conduction. These are responsible for conduction. Both of them are responsible for conduction. We know that na, ions can be charge carrier or electrons can be charge carrier. Clear hai bhai? Both of them can be the charge carrier with liquid ammonia. Main thing what comes here is that if concentration of metal increases, what will happen? It becomes bronze in color and it becomes diamagnetic in color. Do I need to explain this thing? Because I think most of the people already know this liquid ammonia funda. So I should not be wasting the time on this, I guess. ठीक है ना? Just one thing I will tell extra that you have to keep in mind. Ammoniates can be isolated. Ammoniates can be isolated as MNH3 whole 6 2 plus in second group. Second group can form complex compound with ammonia. Second group, bilkul correct. Electronic as well as electrolytic conduction. Bilkul correct, Sagar. Ammoniates can be isolated as MNH3 whole 6 2 plus in second group. In second group, you can isolate ammoniate. You can get the complex compound of ammonia with these metals. But first group cannot be forming the complex compound. Bhai. Done? Someone is asking to explain also. Dekho bhai. This is ammoniated cation. Cation surrounded by ammonia. Ammoniated cation. And this is ammoniated electron. Electron surrounded by ammonia. Bas. That's it. Clear hai bhai? Done. Done. Anion is alone not responsible for anything. There is no anion there. एक चीज बता, metal है, metal will form anion क्या? बोलो भाई. Only Narendra sir is making one of us wife. Otherwise, boys will not become wife ना यार. Metal will become cation only. How can it become anion? बोलो. चमका कि नहीं चमका? अरे चमका कि नहीं चमका यार? Anion कहाँ से आ जाएगा? Where is the anion? Anion एकड़ा उन्नारू. ठीक है भाई. बिल्कुल lithium can also form ammonia. ammoniates, correct, but that is not in the NCERT. Lithium can also form ammoniate, but that is not in the NCERT. Clear, bhai? Done. What do you have to summarize? This liquid ammonia part. Liquid ammonia part क्या? Liquid ammonia part I have to summarize क्या? देखो simple है. Metal go into liquid ammonia. Metal will release electron. If I am metal, I release electron, I became M+. Now ammonia will surround me. Electron will also be surrounded by ammonia. That's it. That's the reaction. Now because we are charge carriers, we can conduct electricity. Electron is responsible for colors. That's it. Blue color will come. Blue color will come. This bronze and all, देखो भाई, as the concentration will increase ना, cation will also increase, electrons will also increase. So electron which were unpaired will start getting paired up because chala number of electrons, they will have to pair up now. So when the electron pair up, paramagnetic solution becomes diamagnetic. And देखो electrons are changing now. Electrons are changing now na. Previously only one electron independent. Now electrons are changing, so the excitation becomes little difficult. So color becomes dark. So bronze color will come. Excitation easy, bluish color will come. Excitation tough, bronzish color will come. Understood, bhaiya? Ab exact color prediction is very tough. Okay, bhai? So you need to remember the color only here. Clear? Going to the next page now. Going to the next page, bhaiya. Arey bhai, going to the next page, yaar. हाँ बिल्कुल, it happens in both groups. Para to dia happens in both groups, correct. Electron is surrounded by how many ammonia? There is no specific number. That's why I've written Y. I have written Y. There is no specific number. Specific number is there only with second group ammoniates. Otherwise, specific number is not there. ठीक है भाई? बिल्कुल. Both are conducting. Both are responsible for conduction also. देखो भाई, if I take lithium nitrate and I heat, what will happen? If I take sodium nitrate and I heat, what will happen? If I take lithium carbonate and I heat, what will happen? If I take sodium carbonate and I heat, what will happen? If I take magnesium nitrate and magnesium carbonate and I heat, what will happen? This will prove the diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. This will prove the diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. देखो, तो lithium nitrate will become Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. That means it will completely break. It will completely break. Whereas NaNO3 will become NaNO2 plus O2 will come out and will not completely break. So I can say it is thermally more stable. देखो problem क्या है? Understand the problem. Problem is that lithium plus is chinna pilla. Problem is that lithium plus is chinna pilla. But that's the only problem. Sir, so what? Arey bhaiya, lithium plus was chinna pilla, was very small. You have given a big carbonate ion to lithium plus. How will he live? How will he live? Bolo yaar. What he will do? He will say ki carbonate, yaar, give me oxygen only. I will take oxygen. This much big carbonate I can't handle. Understood, bhaiya? So what will happen? Here oxygen will be taken and remaining things kicked out. Similarly, lithium carbonate is big. What will happen? Lithium cannot handle that, will take oxygen away and remaining things will go out. Bolo yaar, chamka kya? Bolo bhai. Next, sodium carbonate on heating, nothing, because it is thermally stable. Thermally stable it is. Why? Because sodium can handle a big carbonate ion here. There is no problem with sodium. Sodium can handle the big carbonate ion. The problem is with lithium. It is very small. It cannot handle the big carbonate ion. Now, magnesium nitrate, same to same like lithium reaction is there. Same to same like lithium reaction is there. So magnesium carbonate and nitrate will always be reacting like lithium. Any problem, samasya, pida? Bolo yaar fatafat. Hey, your effort required yaar. Read NCERT also properly yaar. The chapter will become very nice. Read NCERT also properly, attend the class also properly. The whole chapter will become very nice without any problem. Clear hai bhai? Bolo bhai, bolo. Chamka kuch. Chamka kuch yaar. Chamka kuch. Shall we carry on? ठीक है, ग्रेट। देखो अब नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट अब देखो ऑर्डर्स फॉर हाइड्रोक्साइड्स, फॉर सल्फेट एंड फॉर कार्बोनेट, top to bottom increases, top to bottom increases, top to bottom increases. NCERT beta, not old notes. NCERT, not old notes. For inorganic, for S block and P block, NCERT and revision notes are enough. NCERT and revision notes are enough. Clear hai bhai? Done. Old notes might contain extra thing, don't waste time on that. Clear? Chaliye, going ahead. Top to bottom increase. Sir, what increase? All. Basic nature increases, stability increases, and solubility in water also increases. Listen to this logic very carefully here. If this logic is clear, many multiple things will become clear here. And I will be able to explain it once because of the time constraint. So you need to listen very carefully here. Repetition will not be possible because 13 group also we have to start. Done bhai? It's a comprehensive revision without cutting anything from the topic. So you need to be very, very careful in listening the following topic now. Dekhe. One exception comes here, except second group carbonate and sulfate solubility. This will decrease top to bottom. Everything else will increase from top to bottom except the second group carbonate and sulfate solubility. Except the second group carbonate and sulfate solubility. देखो भाई, I am explaining you now how. I am explaining you how. Focus on the board. देखो भाई, talking about solubility in detail. देखिए, solubility depends upon two factors. देखिए, for example, and a salt is there, NaCl, he want to become Na plus and Cl minus aqueous. This is called enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution, you might have read lattice enthalpy. Remember, Na plus Cl minus. Then hydration enthalpy. Remember, enthalpy of solution is lattice enthalpy plus hydration enthalpy. Enthalpy of solution, have you read lattice enthalpy plus hydration enthalpy? अरे भाई बता तो दो, अरे बोलो तो सही चमका. देखो, if you don't want to understand like this, I can explain you in the simpler manner. Simpler manner is very simple. If NaCl want to get soluble in water, what it has to do? देखो, firstly NaCl has to break his previous bond and become Na plus and Cl minus. This is called lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy is the energy required, है ना भाई? NaCl will have to break his previous bond to become Na plus and Cl minus. That is the energy required. Done भाई? अरे बोलो ना यार, for breaking the bond energy required ना. अरे breaking the bond energy required ना यार. Now what will happen? This Na plus and Cl minus will have to get interacted with water, will have to react with water, which will release ample amount of energy, and that is hydration enthalpy, energy released. बोलो भाई, that is hydration enthalpy, energy released. बोलिए भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? So two things are there. अब ये बताओ, if hydration enthalpy magnitude is more than lattice enthalpy, it will be soluble or not soluble? Try to understand. It is like a business. It is like a business. क्या business? Simple है. देखो भाई, lattice enthalpy is the money required. Hydration enthalpy is the money coming. If the money that is coming to your account is more than the money required for the business, will you be profitable or not? If the money coming to your account is more than the money required for your business or your investment, you'll be profitable or not? Bolo yes or no? Yes. That means if hydration enthalpy is more than lattice enthalpy, solubility will be there na. Solubility will be there na bhai. Example, only two in your syllabus, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. They have lattice enthalpy more than hydration enthalpy. That's why they are soluble. Done bhai? If they ask you, sir, why anything is soluble? Anything is soluble. Any compound is soluble because hydration enthalpy more than lattice enthalpy. No other reason. Any ionic compound is soluble because, अरे भैया, why any business is profitable? Because the incoming money is more than outgoing money. Incoming money more than outgoing money, you are profitable. In the same way, hydration enthalpy, the energy released is more than lattice enthalpy, the energy required. तो भैया solubility will be there. चमका कि नहीं चमका? अब देखो भाई, अब देखो, चाला important. LiF and CSI, they are insoluble. Why? Because LiF has high lattice enthalpy, CSI has low hydration enthalpy. क्यों भाई? Why the LiF is in loss? Because his expenditure is more. Because LiF is chinna pilla na yaar. Chinna pilla means chala stable. Chala stable means energy required more. Chala stable means energy required more to break. So expenditure more. That's why he is in loss. Why CSI is in loss? Remember, hydration enthalpy was proportional inversely to size. Large atom, very less hydration enthalpy. So this bhai sahab income is less. This bhai sahab expenditure is more. That's why both of them are in loss. Bolo bhai, will you be able to remember this? LiF, they will ask you why solubility less, high lattice enthalpy. CSI, why low hydration enthalpy. अब next देखे भाई, next देखो, very important. Next देखे, very important. This thing is not required anymore. This thing is just for your understanding, not required anymore. देखिए, अब देखो. Top to bottom, what can you comment about hydration enthalpy? Top to bottom, what can you comment about hydration enthalpy? Always, top to bottom, always. Hydration enthalpy decrease, na? What is hydration enthalpy? Hydration enthalpy is your income or your expenditure. Income or expenditure. Hydration enthalpy is income or expenditure. It is income or expenditure. Income or expenditure. Income na, अरे भैया income decreasing, so what will happen to solubility? Income decreasing, what will happen to solubility? Yaar, income decrease, so you'll be at loss or you'll be at gain. Sir, loss, sir, solubility decrease. Bolo yes or no? Bolo yes or no? So bhaiya, I made you mug up ki where the solubility decrease. I made you mug up where the solubility decrease. Then I explained you the reason why the solubility decrease. This is how science works. Firstly, observation came. Then we try to explain it. What could be the reason? So, sir, top to bottom, for carbonate and sulfate, solubility decreases. Why? Reason is hydration enthalpy decrease. There is no other reason. Hydration enthalpy decrease is the reason. Bolo yaar, you understood na? Top to bottom, hydration enthalpy decrease. Hydration enthalpy is my income decreasing, so solubility less na yaar. चमका भाई, अरे चमका कि नहीं चमका? डन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट देखो. सर, in some cases solubility increase also na. In some cases solubility increase also na. अब ये बताओ, solubility increases means hydration enthalpy is not dominating. Bolo yes or no? If solubility is increasing, hydration enthalpy is not dominating. Agreed or not? If solubility is increasing, hydration enthalpy is not dominating na yaar. Because if hydration enthalpy is dominating, hydration enthalpy decrease, solubility decrease. Then what other reason could be there? Why the solubility will be increasing? Because income decreasing. That means expenditure decreasing more. Why the TCS is in profit? Why the companies are in profit? Why these big corporates are in profit during the pandemic time? Income decrease, and what they are doing, they are decreasing their expenditure even more. That's why the profitability is coming. Understood? Clear? Bilkul clear? Bolo yaar, solubility in water increase. Why? Because lattice enthalpy is decreasing. Lattice enthalpy, expenditure decrease, solubility increase. Expenditure decrease, expenditure decrease. Either you decrease your expenditure or increase your income. Either way, solubility will increase na yaar. Chamka. चमका भाई, रीजन क्लियर? देखो भाई, देखो फटाफट। डन भाई। क्या देखो भाई नाउ, देखो भाई देखो भैया, चिन्ना पिल्ला चाला स्टेबल ना, चिन्ना पिल्ला चाला स्टेबल, चिन्ना पिल्ला चाला स्टेबल, that is why. Clear? That's why the lattice enthalpy is high. देखो भाई, now check on the board. I'm showing you the NCERT of S block. In the NCERT of S block, which are the things now which you have to do? Firstly, what I've just now said, I have taught you just now. Last thing which I taught you is solved example of NCERT. Later on it will come. चलो देखिए भाई, देखो भाई, these compounds you will read. These compounds you will have to read. These compounds. ठीक है भाई, these compounds you have to read Na2CO3. These compounds of sodium and potassium. These compounds from here, some compounds of sodium, these you have to read, including the Solvay's process, byproduct of Solvay's process. Which is the byproduct of Solvay's process? Which is the byproduct of Solvay's process, bhai? Byproduct of Solvay's process, CaCl2, CaCl2, CaCl2. अच्छा ये बताओ, if HCl is added, if HCl is added to CaCl2, MgCl2, NaCl solution, what will precipitate? If HCl is added to CaCl2, MgCl2 and NaCl solution, then NaCl will precipitate. Check here. Calcium and magnesium chloride, this last line. Calcium and magnesium chloride being more soluble than sodium chloride remain in the solution. चमका भाई, बोलो भाई चमका। Done. NEET 2020. बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल। तो Kastner Kellner cell you will read from NCERT. Don't read from the notes, read from NCERT. Don't read from the notes, read from the NCERT. What I taught you, what I just now taught you was this. All these things over. All these things over. हाँ, BeCl2, some people are asking what is the scenario. देखिए, BeCl2 will form dimer at around 1200 Kelvin. That is vapor. BeCl2 vapor is a dimer. But above 1200 or near about 1200, it will become monomer. ठीक है भाई? NCERT भाई, NCERT. I am saying NCERT. You can compare NCERT and notes. You will understand why I am saying NCERT. Time is less. Time is less. Don't waste your time in unnecessary garbage, bhai sahab. There are many things which are irrelevant for the NEET exam. Don't read those. Then only selection will happen with a good marks. Otherwise, time is less. You will waste your time in reading unnecessary things. NCERT will not be completed, bhai. Understand now. BeCl2 vapor. BeCl2 vapor will dimerize. Sorry. BeCl2 vapor will further break to form BeCl2 monomer. बोलो भाई चमका क्या? BeCl2 monomer. All these things you will read from NCERT here. Now this problem I explained. देखिए 10.4. Why does solubility of alkaline earth metal water hydroxide increases? Why increases top to bottom? Increases means lattice enthalpy. Increases means answer will be lattice enthalpy. Check the notes. Increases means answer is lattice enthalpy. So देखो भाई, since lattice enthalpy decreases much more than hydration enthalpy, with increasing ionic size, the solubility increases as we go down. Similarly, why does solubility of alkaline earth metal carbonate sulfate in water decrease? Why is solubility decrease? Why is solubility decrease? Why decrease? Decrease means hydration enthalpy. Decrease means hydration enthalpy. So देखो here, since hydration enthalpy decreases down the group, solubility will decrease. So that notes you have to keep in your hand. There's notes you have to keep in your hand. You will not have to mug up these things. Understood, bhaiya? Beta, metallurgy and surface chemistry, when they will come, I will tell. Right now, focus here. Time is less, syllabus is more. Chaliye bhai. So this cement, what in cement you have to read? In cement, read the composition of calcium oxide, silica, alumina, MgO, Fe2O3 and SO3. Order. Calcium oxide more, tarvata silica, tarvata aluminum oxide, then MgO, then Fe2O3, then SO3. Then what you will read? Dekho bhai, here tricalcium silicate more, tricalcium silicate more, then dicalcium silicate, then tricalcium aluminate. For setting of cement, why do we add gypsum? For setting of cement, why do we add gypsum? For setting of cement, why do we add gypsum? Fatafat. For setting of cement, why do we add gypsum? For setting of cement, why do we add gypsum? To slow the process of hardening. To slow the process of hardening. To slow the process of hardening. Slower the process of hardening, more hydrogen bond will be there. More hydrogen bond will be there. Chala-Manchi hardening will be there. ठीक है भैया? Time required. Anything to settle down in the head required time. So make sure that you read. Make sure that you read properly, because settling time should be more. Settling time should be more. NCERT is that gypsum. It will slow down your speed and will make you learn better. Settling in the head will be better. Understood the idea? Chaliye, coming back bhai. Now we have to read P block NCERT. Very small chinna topic is there. That is boron family here. From NCERT we will see the boron family now. ठीक है भाई? देखो भाई, in boron family what you have to focus upon? In boron family what you have to focus upon? देखो भाई, what you have to focus upon the boron family? देखिए, देखो. All these things we have done. Indian saltpeter, child saltpeter we have done. हाँ, ये तो नाइट्रोजन फैमिली कहाँ से आ गया? ओहो, this is P block senior inter, P block junior inter. Unit 11 ना, 11 is again nitrogen family क्या ना? ठीक है, देखो भाई, देखो, check here. First thing, read this paragraph. What you will see in this paragraph, they are saying कि pi bond made by the second period elements are Chala-Manchi. Pi bond made by the second period elements are Chala-Manchi. So write it here in the NCERT. Pi bond of second period element Chala-Manchi. Pi bond of second period element Chala-Manchi. Next देखें, all these things you will leave, you will directly come to the table. I will explain what you have to read in the table now. देखें, in the table understand, देखो भाई, electronegativity decreases, but helium is a little more. Understood bhai? Now देखो, density top to bottom increase, there is no exception. Melting point, gallium is minimum. Gallium is a summer liquid. Remember, gallium is a summer liquid. It will melt at 303 Kelvin. But ionization enthalpy top to bottom decrease. I will tell you the exception there. I'll explain the exception. Trick not required. I will explain the exception. Don't worry. ठीक है भाई? देखो. Focus here firstly. I'll tell that. देखो भैया. Now what is happening? 303 Kelvin, this temperature, this 303 Kelvin is very, very less melting point, and boiling point is very high, 2676 Kelvin. 2676 Kelvin. That means this gallium is going to remain a liquid for a wide range of temperature. It is going to remain a liquid for a wide range of temperature. So it's called a summer liquid. It is used summer liquid. Why? Because it is melting at summer temperature. around 30-35 degree it will melt. Then it remains liquid for quite some time. It can be used in the thermometer. In the industrial thermometer we can use it. Clear भैया? Next देखिए, what about the एक सेकेंड यार, देखो भाई इतना भी हाईटेक क्यों है तू? दिस मच हाईटेक नॉट रिक्वायर्ड भाई. चलो छोड़ो यार, आई विल टेल हियर ओनली. चलो आई विल टेल हियर ओनली यार, इट विल बी वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम. देखिए देखो नेक्स्ट देखो, आई विल टेल हियर ओनली. Focus here. Now ionization enthalpy is 801 here. What happens in the case of ionization enthalpy? Aluminium gallium radius equal. Aluminium and gallium radius is equal. Aluminium and gallium radius is equal. But gallium has more protons. Yes or no? Aluminium and gallium radius is equal, but gallium has more protons. So if gallium has more proton, more attraction na. Gallium has more protons means more attraction. So ionization enthalpy will be more. Clear? Ionization enthalpy will be more. So check. Gallium ionization enthalpy is more than aluminium. Understood, bhai? So then what? Then what next? Dekho. Next, very very important. Indium to thallium when you go. Indium to thallium when you go. Indium to thallium when you go. What will happen? Thallium has 32 extra protons. 32 extra protons are there. 32 extra protons are there, bhai. When 32 extra protons are there, chala attraction. Chala attraction. So bhaiya, so much attraction that the ionization enthalpy comes almost on the second rank. You can check now. Almost on the second rank the attraction has come. बोलिए भाई, चमका. Done. तो बोरॉन तरवाता थेलियम, because lanthanide contraction more lanthanide contraction. So boron tarvata thelium, tarvata gallium than aluminium, because gallium has more protons than aluminium. Then going ahead. Understood भैया? चमका कि नहीं चमका? Done. देखिए melting point, there is no need of focusing upon the no need of focusing upon the trick. Why? Because only the gallium person has the minimum melting point, remaining decrease then increase. Here boiling point, top to bottom decrease, there is no exception in the boiling point. So here only one question can come, ionization enthalpy, or it can come as melting point. These two questions only can come from here. ठीक है भैया? Going ahead. Now देखो भाई, AlCl3, remember always outside angle is more, inside angle is less. Outside angle is more, inside angle is less. Always outside angle is more in the bridge. Outside angle is more, inside angle is less, bhai. Here, what is the hybridization of boron? Here, what is the hybridization of boron, everyone? Quickly, what is the hybridization of boron here? What is the hybridization of boron here? What is the hybridization of boron? sp2, bhai sahab. sp2. After reaction with ammonia, sp3. So hybridization changed. NCERT exercise question. NCERT exercise question. sp2 became sp3, hybridization changed. Clear है भैया? On reaction becomes sp3, hybridization changed. बताओ यार, +1 +3, +1 stability top to bottom increases, so thallium +1 more stable. +3 stability decreases, so aluminium +3 more stable. Remember inert pair effect? Inert pair effect. Thallium plus is more stable in solution than thallium 3 plus. Inert pair effect. +1 +3, +1 stability increase, +1 increase from top to bottom, +3 decrease from top to bottom. Next, how they react with air? कुछ नहीं, they form oxide and nitride. Clear? Who does not react easily? Boron does not react easily. It is very hard. You need to crush it, make it amorphous, then it will react with the air. Same with aluminium. Aluminium does not react because of protective oxide layer formation. Boron does not react because it is hard. Boron does not react because it is hard. Write it somewhere. Boron doesn't react because it is hard. Aluminium doesn't react because it forms protective oxide layer. ठीक है भैया? Now reactivity towards acid and alkali. देखो, who is amphoteric in nature? Sir, aluminium is amphoteric in nature. What will he do? He will react with acid as well as base. It will react with acid to form Al3 plus aqueous. It will react with base to form sodium meta-aluminate, like you have seen in metallurgy also, leaching. This thing you have seen in leaching also, NaAlOH whole 4. So aluminium can react both with acid and base, but aluminium cannot react with HNO3. Why? Same funda yaar, protective oxide layer formation. Remember HNO3 topic, chromium and aluminium form protective oxide layer. HNO3 topic, P block, chromium and aluminium form protective oxide layer. Chromium and aluminium, chromium and aluminium. Done? अच्छा बताओ, can TLI3 be directly made? So TLI3 sir cannot be directly made. Beta uses you have to read from NCERT. Uses of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, lithium, all of them you have to read from NCERT. Everything uses, so obviously you have to read. How can you leave it? How can you leave it? How can you leave even a single line of NCERT? Everything in NCERT is important, bhai sahab. Conceptual things will be discussed in the class. Uses, so you have to read. That I'm telling you in the main track also. Read the uses, read the uses. Questions will come from there. Dekhe, reactivity towards halogen. TLI3 not directly formed. Why not directly formed? Batao bhai. Sir, because +3 oxidation state, +3 higher, is shown by Shankar Dada and Shrikant. Who are Shankar Dada and Shrikant? Who are Shankar Dada and Shrikant bhai? Who are Shankar Dada and Shrikant? Oxygen and fluorine. Oxygen and fluorine. Very important question, bhai. With that only TLF3, TLOH whole thrice will be formed. TLI3 not formed. Batao, which of the following fumes in moist air and why? I told you there also. If anything fumes HCl, fumes HCl. Keep few things in the head properly, yaar. Now borax. देखो भाई, borax structure. I will have to draw, bhai. Borax structure. Chalo, I will complete this. Then I will draw the borax structure. I will tell you these reactions. These things I will tell. This thing I will tell. This thing I will tell. This also I will tell. B2S6 I will tell. This thing. Diboron, this part I will tell. This thing you can. Okay. This also I will tell. I will tell the whole thing right now in the notes only, because it will take time to tell from the NCERT. So I am telling in the notes. देखो भाई. Borax is Na2B4O7.7H2O. Sorry, 10H2O for example. This is borax. Your job is to search. कि Na2B4O7.7H2O is what? Some other name is there. Check in the NCERT. देखो, B and here one O. Here OH. It is also written as B4. Check B4 O 1 2 3 4 5 O5 OH whole 4 2 minus. Sir, why 2 minus? Find the formal charge. You will get -1 here, 0 here, sp3 here, sp2 here. This is your borax. If you put this borax in water, what will happen? It will form NaOH and H3BO3. So can I say it is a salt of a strong base weak acid, and strong base weak acid? Salt will be basic in nature, na? Strong base. Who is strong? Base is strong. So strong base, weak acid, basic in nature, na yaar? AIMS 2009 question. AIMS 2009 question. Clear hai bhai? Done. Alkaline nature. Borax solution, alkaline in nature. NaOH, H3BO3. देखो भाई, I want to get H3BO3. Whom should I kill? Whom should I kill to get H3BO3? What should be killed from here to get H3BO3? What should be killed from here to get H3BO3? NaOH na. So what I will do to kill NaOH, I will add H2SO4 or HCl. Any good acid you can add. NaOH will be killed. What is coming out? H3BO3 will come out in the form of crystals. चमका की नहीं चमका? चमका की नहीं चमका? बोलो भाई बोलो. बोलो भाई चमका. Easy na yaar, easy. Now boric acid has hydrogen bonding, we all know. You can see the structure also. H3BO3, if you heat, what will happen? HbO2. On further heating B2O3. Further heating B2O3. This is called anhydride. Anhydride. Water ledu of boric acid. Anhydride of boric acid. Water ledu of boric acid. नेक्स्ट देखिए भाई, नेक्स्ट चाला इंपॉर्टेंट B2H6. देखो B2H6 was like this is your B2H6, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट, चाला इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट. व्हाट विल हैपन? बताओ, आउटसाइड एंगल मोर और इनसाइड एंगल मोर? आउटसाइड एंगल मोर, इनसाइड एंगल मोर. विच एंगल मोर? आउटसाइड इनसाइड. सर आउटसाइड एंगल ऑलवेज मोर. एंड बॉन्ड लेंथ लेस. देखो भैया, अब if I have this electron deficient bond here, it can react with CO, it can react with NMe3. How? कुछ नहीं भाई, CO will give the lone pair and Me3 will give the lone pair and they will live happily. BH3.CO or BH3.NMe3 octet will be completed. चमका क्या? Octet will be completed. But beauty comes here. Very emotional reaction here. People cry after seeing this reaction, bhai sahab. People cry after the sacrifice of boron after seeing this reaction. देखिए भाई, what happens? This boron realized कि bro, we are both electron deficient and we both of us are not happy because the electrons are not sufficient. Both of us has the electron deficient bond. So this boron says कि bro यार, you do one thing, you take my hydrogen also. At least you will be 100% happy. So this boron became happy, but he was sad also because his friend has sacrificed for him. Yaar, are you getting it? Can you do this kind of a sacrifice? कि यार, we are not getting marks, you are not getting marks, you can take my medical seat. This kind of sacrifice boron is making, bhai. Getting it? So here ammonia became emotional. Ammonia started crying. Ki boron, I saw what you have done. Don't worry. You give your hydrogen to the other boron. I will take care of your valency. I will take care of your octet. So here ammonia NH3 forms a complex like this and becomes an ionic compound. Bolo bhai. Chamak gaya kuch. Understood what he has done? This boron sacrificed the 2 hydrogen forming BH4 minus, and because the octet was not completed, ammonia crying came to him. He said, bro, I will help you. You are a very good human being. You sacrificed for your friend. I am going to help you and complete the octet. And last reaction, how B2H6 react with MH? Kuch nahi sir, these are hydride donor. Boron will happily take the hydride, will complete the octet, and BH4 will be formed. Bolo bhai. Sir, in B2H6, why they are not in octet? देखो, boron was having this kind of a molecule, BH3. अब ये बताओ, to complete octet, one more bond required ना? Who will give the electron, bhai? Hydrogen does not have the electron. Hydrogen had only one electron, which he already has given to boron. So there is no possibility of getting the octet formation. So bhaiya, electron is less, electron is deficient. That's why the octet is not there. Little bit sharing only they will do with each other, but they will not be able to get 8 electrons each. Understood? Hydrogen does not have electron to give na yaar. Are BCl3 chlorine has lone pair, he can give. Hydrogen has nothing. He's the poorest fellow in terms of electron. He's the poorest fellow. There is no electron to give. There is no possibility of getting octet from here. Done bhai, done. Bolo done fatafat. So revise from NCERT and do the assignment. Assignment will be sent to you. Do the assignment bhai. Okay? Do the assignment also. Done bhai. do the assignment also. Assignment, after doing assignment, after reading NCERT and after reading these notes, nothing will be left. Okay, bye, 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 bye. I'm showing the slide, then I'm also going. Bye, 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 bye. Check. Prem Sai, these notes are enough. These notes are enough. Then revise the NCERT ones. These notes are enough. Then revise the NCERT ones. Bolo Karthik. Karthik say. Karthik say. What's the doubt? Karthik say. What is the doubt? Bolo bhai. Al2 Cl6 no banana bond. No. No, 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 no. Karthik, assignment will be discussed live in the study hour. Don't worry. You will get a proper live study hour. Whole assignment I will display on the board. Everything I can discuss. Beta, you can leave. There is no problem. You can leave. There is no problem. Beta, notes I am arranging. Notes I am arranging. I have got the atomic structure notes with me now. So if anyone wants, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you. Other notes are also coming. It will come within 1-2 days. I have asked already here. From my side, I'm trying my level best to get the notes. Okay, bhai, you will get. First slide. Again,